In this video, we'll be solving a question on first principle derivative. For more on first principle derivative, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. First, we have our function as f of x to be 3x squared minus 5x. Also, for first principle derivative, the y all over the x is equal to the limit as the x tends to 0. We have f of x plus dx minus f of x all over dx. So this is what we have, and this is what we use in computing the question given. So we already have our question here. We come over here, the y all over the x is equal to the limit function as the x tends to 0. We have 3. Anywhere you see x, we put x plus dx. So we have x plus dx all squared minus 5 minus 5 x plus dx minus our function. That means the whole of this. So we have minus 3x squared minus 5x. So this is what we get. The next thing to do is to expand this. If we expand this, we get 3 squared plus 2x dx plus dx all squared minus 5x minus 5 dx minus 3x squared plus 5x all over dx. So we have this as equal to, we open this bracket, we open it. We have 3x squared, if we are opening the bracket, plus 3 multiplied by this will give us 6x dx. 3 multiplied by this we have plus 3 dx all squared minus 5x minus 5 dx. We have 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x all over dx. So if you want that, some things can cancel here. For example, 3x squared can cancel 3x squared. We also have 5x to cancel 5x. So we'll be left with the limit function as the x tends to 0. We have 6x dx plus 3 dx all squared minus 5 dx. This is what we get all over dx. Of course, we can bring out the x. So we'll have the limit function as the x tends to 0. We have the x multiplied by 6x plus 3 dx minus 5 bracket all over dx. This and this will go. As the x tends to 0, the x here is also 0. So we have this to be equal to the limit function as the x tends to 0. We have 6x plus 0 minus 5. So this is what you are left with. It then means the y all over the x is equal to 6x minus 5. So this is how we can compute first principle derivative. For more on first principle derivative, you can subscribe to this channel.